From vine to bottle, unveiling the ketchup journey. Have you ever paused, ketchup bottle in hand, and pondered the journey that brought this vibrant condiment to your table? It's a tale that begins in sun-drenched fields where tomatoes ripen to perfection. This humble fruit embarks on a remarkable transformation, passing through the hands of farmers, factory workers, and quality inspectors before arriving at your plate. From the moment the tomatoes are plucked from the vine to the final squeeze of the bottle, we'll uncover the secrets of this culinary staple. Join us as we delve into the captivating journey of tomato ketchup, from vine to bottle. A glimpse behind the label. Understanding food production. In an age of pre-packaged convenience, it's easy to take for granted the complex processes that bring food to our tables. Ketchup, a seemingly simple condiment, serves as an excellent case study in food production. By tracing the path of ketchup from its humble origins to the supermarket shelf, we gain insight into the interconnectedness of agriculture, manufacturing, and distribution. We learn about the challenges faced by farmers, the innovation driving food processing, and the rigorous quality control measures that ensure the safety and consistency of our food. Examining the production of something as ubiquitous as ketchup allows us to appreciate the complexity of our food system. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey and uncover the secrets behind the making of tomato ketchup. The tomato's tale begins, growth and cultivation. Our ketchup's journey begins in vast fields, where rows of tomato plants bask in the sun. Farmers meticulously tend to their crops, ensuring they receive the right amount of water and nutrients. Days turn into weeks as the tomato plants flourish, their vines heavy with clusters of green fruit. Farmers carefully monitor the tomatoes, looking for signs of ripeness, a vibrant red hue and a slight give to the touch. It's a delicate balance, ensuring the tomatoes reach peak ripeness for the best flavor and texture in the final ketchup. When the time is right, the harvest begins, transforming the serene fields into bustling hubs of production. From field to truck, the harvest commences. The arrival of harvest season marks a pivotal moment in the tomato's journey. Skilled workers, some equipped with specialized harvesting machinery, move through the fields, carefully plucking the ripe tomatoes from the vine. Each tomato is handled with care, ensuring it remains undamaged on its journey to the factory. The freshly harvested tomatoes are then carefully placed in large crates or bins, ready for transportation. As the sun sets, trucks loaded with crates of crimson treasures leave the fields. Their destination, the ketchup factory. The journey from field to factory is a crucial one, demanding careful coordination and efficient logistics. Tomatoes are delicate fruits prone to bruising and spoilage if not handled properly. Refrigerated trucks are often employed to maintain the freshness of the tomatoes, ensuring they arrive at the factory in pristine condition. Upon arrival at the factory, the tomatoes are unloaded and prepared for the next phase of their transformation. This journey highlights the importance of a robust supply chain in food production. Now, within the factory walls, these simple fruits will embark on a remarkable transformation, guided by human ingenuity and culinary expertise. Once those crimson treasures are loaded onto trucks, the race against time begins. Tomatoes, despite their robust appearance, are delicate and perishable. Delaying their journey to the factory could mean a decline in quality, affecting the taste and texture of the final ketchup. To ensure the freshest produce reaches the processing plant, a well-choreographed system is in place. Drivers often take designated routes, avoiding unnecessary detours that could prolong the journey. Their arrival at the factory gates marks the end of one journey and the beginning of another, equally fascinating transformation. The journey from field to factory can be long, sometimes spanning hundreds of miles. To preserve the quality of the tomatoes, special attention is given to the conditions inside the transport trucks. Refrigeration is key, keeping the tomatoes at a cool temperature to slow down the ripening process and prevent spoilage. Inside these climate-controlled vehicles, the tomatoes rest comfortably, shielded from the elements. This meticulous control ensures that the tomatoes arrive at the factory in prime condition, their flavor and texture intact. These trucks, more than just vehicles, become mobile havens, safeguarding the integrity of the tomatoes until they reach their destination. A symphony of logistics, coordinating the tomato flow. The seamless transition from farm to factory relies on a well-orchestrated symphony of logistics. It's a complex dance involving scheduling, communication, and coordination among various stakeholders. Farmers, truck drivers, factory workers, each plays a crucial role in ensuring the timely and efficient delivery of the tomatoes. Harvest schedules are synchronized with factory processing capacities, ensuring a steady flow of tomatoes without overwhelming the system. This intricate web of coordination ensures that the tomatoes arrive at the factory precisely when needed, minimizing waiting times and maximizing freshness. The cleansing ritual, a baptism for tomatoes. Upon arrival at the factory, the journey of the tomatoes takes a surprising turn. No longer bathed in sunlight and caressed by the open air, they are ushered into a world of stainless steel and rushing water. This is the crucial first stage of processing, the washing phase. Jets of water, carefully calibrated for pressure and temperature, spray the tomatoes from all angles, removing dirt, debris, and any lingering traces of their journey. This cleansing process is more than just a superficial rinse, it's a crucial step in ensuring the safety and quality of the final product. As the water washes away the dust and grime, it also carries away any potential contaminants, safeguarding the integrity of the ketchup to come. Separating the stars, the art of tomato sorting. Emerging from their watery baptism, the tomatoes proceed to the next stage: sorting. Each tomato is carefully scrutinized, its worthiness judged not on individual merit, but on its ability to contribute to the perfect batch of ketchup. Trained inspectors, their gaze sharp and unwavering, stand along the conveyor belts, plucking out any blemished or damaged tomatoes. Only the finest specimens, those with unblemished skin, vibrant color, and the promise of rich flavor, are deemed worthy of continuing the journey. This meticulous sorting process is a testament to the high standards of quality control in food production. Every tomato that passes through these watchful eyes represents a commitment to delivering a superior product to consumers. Ready for transformation. The journey continues. Having passed the rigorous tests of washing and sorting, the chosen tomatoes embark on the next leg of their journey, their transformation now truly underway. They move along the conveyor belts, a river of crimson flowing deeper into the heart of the factory. These tomatoes, once scattered across fields, bathed in sunlight and open air, are now part of a carefully controlled process, their destiny intertwined with the machinery and expertise that surround them. They have been cleansed, sorted, and deemed worthy, their journey a testament to the intricate dance between nature's bounty and human ingenuity, from simple, sun-ripened fruit to the beloved condiment. The journey of the tomato is a testament to the wonders of food production. The journey inside the factory continues, and our selected tomatoes now face a dramatic transformation. This is where the magic truly begins, where the essence of the tomato is extracted and prepared for its ultimate destiny as ketchup. The tomatoes are gently crushed, releasing their juices and pulp, their vibrant red hue intensifying as they are subjected to carefully controlled heat. This process separates the skins and seeds, leaving behind a rich, velvety tomato puree. This initial cooking process is crucial in developing the ketchup's signature texture and flavor. The heat breaks down the tomatoes' cell walls, releasing their natural sugars and intensifying their inherent sweetness. The air, once filled with the fresh scent of ripe tomatoes, now carries a deeper, more complex aroma, the unmistakable scent of ketchup in the making. The transformation from simple tomato pulp to the tangy condiment we know as ketchup involves a delicate dance of flavors. Skilled technicians, guided by carefully guarded recipes, orchestrate a symphony of spices and seasonings, each ingredient playing a crucial role in creating the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory notes. Vinegar, a key ingredient, is introduced, lending its sharp tang to the mix. Sugar, in carefully measured quantities, balances the acidity, enhancing the ketchup's natural sweetness. Salt, the flavor enhancer, is added with a measured hand, amplifying the ketchup's savory notes. Then come the spices, a closely guarded secret blend that varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. Cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and other aromatic spices are added, their warm, earthy notes adding depth and complexity to the ketchup's flavor profile. The slow simmer, a symphony of scents and flavors. With the addition of spices and seasonings, the transformation of the tomato puree into ketchup takes a more leisurely pace. The mixture is slowly simmered in large stainless steel kettles, the gentle heat allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. This slow simmering process is crucial in developing the ketchup's signature thick, velvety texture and its complex, well-rounded flavor. As the mixture simmers, it gradually thickens, transforming from a thin puree into a luscious, velvety sauce. This slow cooking process allows the flavors of the tomatoes, vinegar, sugar, and spices to meld and harmonize. It's a symphony of scents and flavors, a testament to the transformative power of heat and time, guided by the skilled hands of culinary artisans. Ready for the final act? Ketchup in the making. As the simmering ketchup reaches its peak of flavor and consistency, it's time for the final act in this culinary drama. The once disparate ingredients, now transformed into a harmonious whole, are ready for their final metamorphosis. The ketchup, its vibrant red hue deepened by the cooking process, is carefully monitored for the perfect balance of sweetness, tanginess, and spice. Samples are taken and tested, ensuring that the flavor profile and consistency meet the exacting standards set by the manufacturer. The ketchup is then cooled, its transformation from simple tomatoes to the beloved condiment now complete. This final product, the culmination of nature's bounty and human ingenuity, is now ready for its final destination. The familiar glass or plastic bottle that will soon grace tables around the world. Guardians of quality ensuring ketchup perfection. Before our ketchup embarks on its journey to supermarket shelves and kitchen tables around the world, it undergoes a series of stringent quality checks. This is where science meets the senses, ensuring that every bottle leaving the factory meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and safety. They analyze its viscosity, ensuring it flows smoothly from the bottle, yet clings enticingly to fries. And of course they conduct taste tests, because what good is ketchup if it doesn't delight the palate? These guardians of quality are the unsung heroes of the ketchup production process, their tireless efforts ensuring that every dollop delivers the expected burst of flavor. Section 2. Bottling the goodness from tank to table. Having passed the rigorous quality checks, the ketchup, now a symphony of flavor and texture, is ready for its grand entrance onto the world stage. This is where the industrial ballet of bottling takes center stage, a mesmerizing dance of machinery and precision that transforms the liquid condiment into a shelf-stable staple. Imagine a cascade of crimson as the ketchup flows from giant holding tanks into a network of sterilized glass or plastic bottles, each one a pristine vessel awaiting its flavorful cargo. Automated filling machines, their movements a marvel of engineering, dispense precise amounts into each bottle, ensuring uniformity and minimizing waste. The bottles, now brimming with the promise of tangy goodness, are then whisked away on conveyor belts, their journey far from over. Caps are swiftly applied, sealing in the flavor and freshness, while labels, bearing the familiar branding and nutritional information, are meticulously affixed. Section 3. Labeling and beyond, preparing for distribution. The journey from tomato to ketchup is nearly complete, but before those bottles can embark on their final adventure to consumers, they undergo a final stage of preparation. Labeling, a seemingly simple task, is a crucial element in this process, providing consumers with essential information and ensuring brand recognition. Imagine a symphony of whirring machinery and flashing lights as labels, pre-printed with vibrant colors and essential information, are precisely applied to each bottle. These labels, much more than decorative elements, communicate crucial details about the product: ingredients, nutritional value, storage instructions, and of course, the brand's identity. Once labeled, the bottles are typically grouped into larger packaging units, such as cardboard boxes or trays, ready for efficient shipping and handling. These larger units often bear additional labeling, including batch numbers and barcodes, crucial for inventory management and tracking throughout the distribution chain. Section 1. From farm to table, a journey of transformation. As we stand on the precipice of the ketchup bottle's journey to store shelves and ultimately to your table, let's take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary journey we've witnessed. From the humble tomato seed, nurtured in sun-drenched fields, to the final squeeze of the bottle, releasing a torrent of tangy goodness, we've traced the intricate steps that transform nature's bounty into a culinary icon. We've witnessed the dedication of farmers, the precision of engineers, the keen senses of quality inspectors, and the silent symphony of machinery, all working in concert to deliver a product that has graced tables and tantalized taste buds for generations. The journey of ketchup is a testament to the interconnectedness of our food system, a delicate dance between nature's offerings and human ingenuity. It's a journey that speaks to our innate desire to transform raw ingredients into culinary delights, a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness that define our relationship with food. The next time you reach for that familiar bottle of ketchup, remember the journey it has taken, the countless hands it has passed through, and the symphony of flavors it embodies. Section 2. The allure of ketchup, a testament to ingenuity. The enduring popularity of ketchup, a condiment found on tables across the globe, speaks to its versatility and its ability to elevate even the simplest of meals. But beyond its culinary appeal, ketchup embodies a triumph of human ingenuity, the ability to capture the essence of a fleeting season, transform it, and preserve it for year-round enjoyment. Each squeeze of the bottle releases a burst of flavor, a reminder of sun-ripened tomatoes, the tang of vinegar, and the warmth of carefully selected spices. It's a testament to our capacity to harness the power of nature, to transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary, and to share that creation with the world. So, as you savor that next bite of burger or fries, enhanced by the tangy goodness of ketchup, take a moment to appreciate the journey. It's a journey that speaks to our shared culinary heritage, a testament to the ingenuity that transforms nature's bounty into a beloved staple, enjoyed by millions around the world.